already, so I've been gone for like God knows how long, and I'm sorry. But we are back with a open box laptop, and as you can see right here, we have a Dell XPS 13 Plus. This one is open box. I got this at Best Buy. Jesus. So this one was $800. Let's go ahead and take a look at the specs here. So we have us a 13.4 inch, 3.5K OLED touchscreen. We have an Intel Core i7, 1360p, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and 1 terabyte SSD. Intel Iris Xe graphics. Windows 11, McAfee, which I will not be using. We have wireless 802.11ax, which is Wi-Fi 6E. Bluetooth 5.3, Thunderbolt 4, a backlit keyboard, and a fingerprint reader. Go ahead and looking here, literally the only problem with it was it said that it had residue on it. And so I saw that, I was like, cool. So here we have the little thing. Looking at this bottom part, we have the biggest silica packet I think I've ever seen. Chuck that over there. We have the XPS itself, which this thing is in immaculate condition. Paperwork, the extension, the little brick. I think this is 60 watts. An odd amount, but nothing major. USB-C to C. A USB-C to headphone jack. And USB-C to USB-A. Cool. Anyways, so I'm gonna set this bad boy up, and I'll be back. And I'm back. So yeah, sorry this is flickering. I cannot get this to stop. But yeah, here we are. So see if I come here to device. So we have 32 gigabytes of RAM, 13th core, the craziest name ever, which is Mr. Cumrag, because you know this thing is a crazy PC. So this thing has fingerprint reader, Windows Hello, which I cannot get these to work. I'll have to figure that out. And then the coolest touchpad ever, a great keyboard, which I'm still trying to get used to. But yeah, so yeah, let me know if I should make a full-on review of this guy. I probably will. I'm gonna be using this as my school laptop for the next school year, which will be in like August. So yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.